Yes, your mocktail is. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. My name is Diptendu Acharya. Today I'll tell you one more cool airbase mocktail. The mocktail name is Litchi Breeze. How to make Litchi Breeze mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour like some lychee juice with the measurement. You can pour 100 ml of lychee juice. You can add some more. One. Okay, this is 120 ml of lychee juice. You can pour. Then after that, you have to pour 20 to 30 ml of lychee crush. That's it. 20 ml of lychee crush. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lemon. Okay. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. You have to shake all the ingredients. Then take a pencil glass and pour all the ingredients into the. Then you have to pour like 200 to 300 ml of cranberry juice. Okay, cranberry juice, and slowly you have to pour on the top of the. See, your mocktail is ready. You can garnish the mocktail with some lemon slices and some mint leaf. See how the fancy color came. That's it. Yes, your mocktail is ready. This is the lychee breeze mocktail with a combination of lychee juice, lychee crush, lemon juice, and top of it cranberry juice. Very simple mocktail, 2 layer based mocktail. You can try. Most of the people they like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. You can see the color. Yes. Thank you.